Hello, question 14 in your AS June 2018 paper from Edexcel is a circles question. So you have the equation of a circle, and the first thing you have to find is the coordinates of the center and the radius. So remember, when we have the equation in this way, we want to work with it until we have something like this: x minus a squared plus b minus x minus b squared equals c, because, or r squared, because this way a, b will be the coordinates of the center and r the radius. So what we are going to do is to complete the square. We are going to get the x's, complete the square with them, and then the y's and complete the square with them. Okay? So to complete the square with the x's, I have x minus half of the 6, so 3 squared, then I subtract the 3 squared, so minus 9, and then I do the same with the y's. So I have y minus, plus in this case, plus half of it, which is 5 squared, and then I subtract the square. Yeah, and don't forget this number, so plus 9 equal, in this case, 0. I have this 9 with this 9 are gone, so I have x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared is 25. Now our equation is like this one, so the center is going to be positive 3 minus 5, and the radius is going to be the square root of 25, which is 5. Yeah, so this is the first part of the question. Then this one is the one that can be a bit trickier. So the line with equation y equals kx, where k is a constant, cuts c at two distinct points, and we have to find the range of values of k. So we have our circle, and we have a line that cuts the circle in 2 points, and this line, the gradient of this line is k. So we have to find the values of k, the range of values of k, that will make the line cut twice the circle. Yeah, because you know that it can not cut the circle at all, or it can be tangent. So we need a range of values that will make the line cut twice. So when we have to find the intersection between a line and a circle, we are going to solve simultaneous equations. So we have the equation of our circle, that was this one, so x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 9 equals 0, and the equation of the line, which is this one, so y is kx. And we are going to solve simultaneous equations. So what we are going to do in this case is we are going to substitute the y here and here. If we do that, we have x squared plus kx squared minus 6x plus 10 kx plus 9 equals 0. And this equation is going to give us the x of the 2 points of intersection. So to have 2 points of intersection, this quadratic must have 2 solutions. Yeah, so I'm going to reorganize it a bit because it doesn't look well. So I have x squared here and x squared here. I'm going to factorize. So I have 1 plus k squared x squared, and I have x here and x here. So I have minus 6 and 10k. So plus 10k minus 6 multiplying x plus 9. This equation should have 2 solutions, 2 real solutions to have 2 points of intersection. So the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, must be positive. So b squared is 10k minus 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1 plus k squared, times c, which is 9. Yeah, we can expand the brackets and reorganize this a bit, and we have 100k squared minus 120k plus 36 minus 36 minus 36k squared. And if I collect like terms, I have 64k squared minus 120k. Yeah, and this must be positive. It's an inequality, a quadratic inequality, so what I can do is factorize it and then decide what values of k make this positive. So if I factorize that, I have 8k minus 15, and this must be positive. So I like doing it graphically, but you can do considering the factors, the sign of the factors. So this quadratic, if this is k, sorry, this is k. The roots are 0 and 15/8, so my quadratic is something like this, and where this is 15/8 and this is 0. This is going to be positive here, so it's above the x-axis, and here, which means k must be greater than 15/8, or k must be smaller than 0 to have two real solutions. Yeah, and this is your answer. They don't ask you to write in cent notation. Yeah, they don't. So that would be enough. If you want to write in cent notation just because they ask, you will have to write k when k is greater than 15/8, or, so union, k when k is smaller than 0. Yeah, but they are not asking in this case. And that's all with this question.